Hello, my paper peeps. Today I will be sharing my top must-have journal craft supplies from Amazon. Things I am actually using this year. I'll link everything you see here in the descriptions box below. So let's dive in. Number 1, the Faber-Castell Watercolor Pencils. Oh my goodness, I have a plethora of watercolor supplies, and this is by far my favorite. And I'm not the only one that finds this palette top-notch. It has a 5-star rating, and you receive 36 watercolor pencils that are placed in this beautiful tin that I find are great for travel. These artist watercolor pencils, as you can see here, deposit a high-quality pigment of semi-gloss and brilliance that I find are consistent within this whole palette. The pigments dissolve completely when brushed with water, and when you lay down the color, the spread of the color can be distributed from a very soft hue to a very intense hue, depending on how much color you deposit and how much water you use. And they are definitely resistant to breakage due to the special bonding process that was used to create these pencils. My next must-have is the Fine Tech Pearlescent water paint. Again, another 5-star find. I have this one and other palettes in this brand that I think you would enjoy and use often. I just want to show you how it adds a little bit of shimmer to the Faber-Castell artwork that you see here. This palette is an assortment of pearlescent colors from gold and silver to iridescent pearl shining colors. In this 6-color pack, you get a copper, Olympic gold, Arabic gold, champagne silver, and silver. And it's perfect for highlighting, and you just dissolve with water and apply with a brush. It's fast drying and can be used on porous surfaces such as paper and wood. It comes in a metal box with interchangeable color pans, and the metal box acts as a palette with divided mixing areas in the lid. So you don't really need one of these mixing wells. Number 3, my third find and must-have is this Art Supply 9x12-inch pink or blue professional healing cutting mat. If you're starting to layer pages within your planners or scrapbook journals, this is the perfect size. It has 1/2 to 1/8 inch marks for precision alignment, as well as 60-degree and 45-degree guides. I just like that it's not a large mat. You can travel with this, and it's suitable for journal work. It's really good for protecting your countertops and the planner journal itself. So the question of the day is, what is your favorite Amazon crafting find that you want to share with the rest of your crafting community? Put that in the comments section below so that we could all try the newest and greatest thing out there. Number 4. Oh my goodness, this one I think is by far one of my favorite finds this year. This is the Stamperia Create Happiness Stencils line. I love it, obviously for incredible design, but I also love the size. It's 4.72 inches by 9.84 inches. This one is the postcard stencil, and I like how it spans the length of my journal. These stencils are quite durable, and they're perfect for card making, scrapbooking. You can even use mixed media with it. It's made out of a durable mylar and can be used with paint, ink pads, chalk, mists, and so much more. Number 5. Okay, this one is my game changer. I've been scrapbooking for 11 years now, and I would lay down scrap pieces of paper to protect my surfaces while I inked my work. Why? This waffle flower mini stencil mat is the scrapbooker, journalers, card makers, planners absolute must-have. It's non-slip, waterproof, heat-resistant, non-stick, and non-reflective. It's the perfect size. It's 6 by 9 inches. It has open edge for bigger media sizes, and the edge also helps to line your stencils. And you can even roll it up for easy travel. Number 6, this 12-pack of colored ink blending brushes are my go-to. These soft colored bristles are perfect for depositing my distress inks. They're great for inking my edges and creating a soft stencil image in my projects. Number 7, this Washi Tape set is by far the vintage scrapbook journaler's must-have, especially this Nature Color 9mm pack, because if you like more muted soft tones, which I like for my vintage scrapbook journaling, you'll love this. And if you're interested in how to use washi tape, in your vintage scrapbook journals, then you'll want to watch this video because it will show you some of the simple ways and also some more advanced ways of how to use washi in your scrapbook journals. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Could you do me a favor and stamp that like button so it could spread to the rest of our crafting community? I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Until then, happy crafting, and we'll see you in my next videos. Bye!